Hello, my name is Sarah. Hello, my name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you. Nice.
Nice to meet you. How are you today?
How?
How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
I am fine, thank you.
Good.
I am fine, thank you. Can you help me, please?
Can you?
Help me, please?
Absolutely. Follow me, I know where to find it.
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hallway on the left.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I would like a coffee, please.
Certainly.
I would like a coffee, please. What time is it now? What time is it now? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. I need a doctor. I need a doctor.
Where is the nearest supermarket? Where is the nearest supermarket? Ah, yes, it's just around the corner on the left.
Can I have the menu, please? I am looking for the train station.
Go down this hall, turn right, and it will be the third platform.
How do I get to the hotel? Well, you'll want to go straight down this street and take a left at the park. Iwarao. I would like to pay now. Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. Can you write that down for me?
Sure.
Can you just write that down for me? I am sorry. I am late. I am sorry. I am late. Excuse me. Can I pass?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Can I pass? I need a taxi, please. I need a taxi, please. What is your phone number?
How?
What is
What is?
your phone number? I am hungry. Let's eat something. I know just the thing. This food is very delicious. Can I sit here, please? Can I sit here, please? I love learning English every day. I love learning English every day. See you tomorrow.
See you
tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.